Hello, good morning to all of you. Today we start topic cooperation of kitchen with other departments. The first is cooperation with front office. The first point is the front office will communicate arrival and departure list which will help to forecast about the quantities to cook. Second one is with the association and assistant of front office with kitchen people promote sales by explaining the guest as to what is available and where is available. The last one is the front office gives the list of VIP arrivals in order to increase the reputation of the establishment. Next is the cooperation with housekeeping. It is mainly for the supply of linen and uniform, that is apron, kitchen, towels, dusters and etc. and to keep the kitchen clean. However, chef also coordinate with the horticulture section which at times falls under housekeeping department for fresh herbs, salad leaves, dedicates veggies, microgreens and few vegetables from chef garden. The next is cooperation with the F&B service. There should be a close liaison between F&B service and the kitchen staff because F&B personnel are involved in the selling of products made by the kitchen department. It is the duty of F&B personnel to give the intimation about the various parties to be hosted in future and in turn it is the duty of kitchen people to provide food at the right time in hygiene condition. Also, F&B personnel must be aware as to how much time does a dish require to get ready because they are the ones who are directly associated with the guest. The next one is cooperation with maintenance. Maintenance will keep the equipments in working condition. Further, this department maintains all the electrical fittings. Also, they introduce as well as instruct about the use of new equipments. The next one is cooperation with store या purchase. This department will provide all the raw materials required by the chef. The chef must intend in time to ensure that the purchase personnel gets sufficient time to procure this raw material. The chef also gives purchase specification from time to time depending upon the recipe requirement. The next one is cooperation with management. The department must cooperate with the management and should provide the result which the management want to have, that is as per the menu requirements. Further, the department should incorporate new changes which the management suggests so as good cooperation B&W, the kitchen staff and management should be promoted. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics.